What is going on today, guys? It's your boy Nick's Gaming back with another quick stream do-it-yourself video. Well, a lot of you asked a little while ago when I was using this browser source to track my in-game stats for Warzone, how I was doing it. So I've done it in multiple other streams and have had the exact same question, and I want to answer that question for all of you today. So we used a browser source from Tracker Network, can also be found in the description below at tracker.gg is their actual website, and you'll be able to get on into it. So after you've gone ahead and signed up, this video is also going to pre-assume that you guys know how to add a browser source. If you don't, Google has a lot of answers and will answer that question in about 3.5 seconds. We'll also walk you through it verbally at the end of the video when we have the overlay made. So basically, when you click the link below and you go ahead and sign in, you'll have a screen that looks very similar to this. You're going to want to go over to overlays. You're going to want to go down to create a new overlay. You can choose your game, and basically right now this website's only supporting Apex Legends, Modern Warfare, Warzone, Black Ops 4, Destiny 2, Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege, Teamfight Tactics, Spillgate, Arena, Warfare. Those are what they're supporting right now. Again, I haven't gone through every single one and haven't tried every single one, so I apologize if there is one or two that are broken or not working properly or whatever, but they all look a little bit different, and those can be found in the variant here. So personally for Fortnite, which we're going to choose today, we really like the boxed horizontal. You can go ahead and go and then search for your profile. We've already searched for our profile, and there it is. And then from here you can go ahead and change your colors to match your stream. So for us, we're gonna go black, orange, and like a bluish color. Something around there will work completely fine for what we want today. Again, they do have a couple different ones for each and every game that do look a little bit different. So once again, we would go change it to exactly how we want it. Whoops, background color, we want black. Save. Text color, we want blue. Save. Why is my background color not coming out? I want black. Save. There we go. So we'll just do something like that, and then basically we go and hit save changes. And then basically from here, guys, your exact overlay will display here, and you can go ahead and copy and paste this link at the very top of the page here. And now you're going to open up your OBS, and this is where we're going to walk you through it verbally. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and hit a new browser source or a new source, and then add a browser source. From there, you will see a bunch of different settings. You can set them up to however you want, but the URL has to be that one that you just copy and pasted, or copied and now gonna paste. And now you just hit OK, it'll load in, and then you can open it up. As you can see, there is the overlay there for you to use literally wherever you want. So let's say this is the one we were using on stream right now. We would probably, if this was my exact stream setup, which it is not, what I would do is make a spot for it, but you can just go ahead and drag and drop this anywhere that you physically want. Make it the proper sizing, and do, like I said, literally whatever you want. So I see people that actually use this, and they actually have a spot built in on their webcam frame or whatever, specifically to hold their stats. It's another really great idea, but once again, that is completely up to you. Very easy to set up if you knew where you were going to, which now you do. But that will actually conclude it for this video. Until next time, guys, take her easy. Peace.